Let me ask you something. If you've been looking into Amazon KDP recently, you've probably noticed how crowded certain categories have become. Coloring books, especially. Everywhere you look, the same styles, the same layouts, the same ideas, just repackaged over and over again. And if you're new to KDP, or even if you've been at this for a while, it can start to feel like you're already late. So if you clicked on this video, 5 children's activity book niches worth trying on Amazon KDP, you're in the right place. Because today isn't about chasing whatever's loud or trending. It's about looking at what people are actually buying and where there's still room to enter the market without fighting thousands of nearly identical books. Children's activity books don't get the same attention as coloring books, but demand for them hasn't slowed down. These niches are quieter, more focused, and far more forgiving, especially if you're just getting started. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 children's activity book niches that make sense right now. I'll explain why these work, what to look for, and ways to get started making these books. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first children's activity book niche worth trying on Amazon KDP is going to be the dot-to-dot books for kids. Now, we see from Titan's quick view a niche score of 67. With Titan's Pro analysis, demand is a 5, opportunity is a 9. Total results here, 3,640. But look at that average bestsellers rank, 327,339 on the first page. Now, you might be saying over 3,000 results might be a little bit too competitive, but that's okay. Because if you niche down a little bit, you can find something like this, dot-to-dot books for kids ages 3 to 5. Now, when we look at the total results, 1,154, so not too competitive now, but you're gonna see a lot of the same types of books as you do in the more generic niche. But obviously this is going to be more directed towards a certain kid's age range. There's a bestseller book right here ranked at 5,535. This book right here ranked at 333,000. This dot-to-dot books for kids ranked at 43,000. One here based off of wild animals ranked at 39,000. Here's another one right here ranked at 33,000. And then here's one that's based on fairies, princesses, animals, and more, ranked at 15,000. Now, if we take a look at an example of an interior in this niche, you can see the image is comprised of a bunch of dots. These dots have numbers, and the customer or the child will start at number 1 and follow the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until they finish the entire image, which at that point will complete the image and they can see exactly what they drew. And in this case, it's going to be an airplane. Here's another example right here, a soccer ball. And then here's another one right here, and some more examples right there. And these are very, very popular types of activity books for children. Now, I've made some in-depth tutorials on how to make dot-to-dot books on my channel, so feel free to go ahead and watch those. Now, if we look at the bestsellers rank, 21,738, that is good for an estimated 30-day royalties from Titan's quick view of anywhere from $700 to $1,000 per month. Now, these books aren't incredibly lengthy. As you can see, 106 total pages. So this one, 100 dot-to-dot puzzles, and priced at $9.99. Now, the next children's activity book niche worth trying on Amazon KDP is going to be this dot marker activity coloring book for kids. We see total results 1,254, with the average bestsellers rank on the first page pretty low at 247,000. The niche score is pretty high here from Titan's quick view at 68, and the Titan's Pro analysis says demand is a 3, that's a little bit low, but the opportunity score is a 7. And if we look through the first page here, here's a book ranked at 9,000. Here's another one right here ranked at 1,000. Another one right here ranked at 1,000. So that's already 2 books ranked in the 1,000. Here's a princess version, 100,000. One based off of vehicles, ranked at 72,000. Here's one based off of animals, ranked at 78,000. And a bestseller right here, ranked at 10,000. So you see a lot of examples of books here selling very, very well. Now, essentially, this book is just an image that is filled with a bunch of circles. As you can see right here, this is a snail, a bunch of circles here. And then using dot markers, the child in this case can go ahead and color these circles in whatever color they want to complete the image. Very simple type of activity book. Here's another one, rocket ship, and this is actually very, very simple to make. I've also made an in-depth tutorial on dot markers activity books on my channel, so feel free to go ahead and watch that. But as you can see, essentially grabbing an image and putting circles in it, not very difficult. Here's more examples right here. And it's definitely something that even someone starting out brand new on KDP could go ahead and create. Now, this book with the bestsellers rank of 1,204 is seeing an estimated 30-day royalties anywhere from $3,500 to over $5,000 per month. This book is priced at $7.99, 102 pages overall, and as you can see right here, 50 large pictures with large dots to color in. So basically only 50 images, so not a very lengthy book. Now, the next children's activity book niche worth trying on Amazon KDP is going to be the how to draw book for kids. As we can see, a niche score here, very high at 80. Titans Pro analysis, demand of 5, opportunity is a 9. And you're going to see a lot of books here. I did do a video on how to do these how to draw books. If you want to go ahead and watch that, it's one of my recent videos. But as you can see, a bunch of bestsellers here. Books doing very, very well, very low BSRs. Now, if we go back to the top of the page, you can see total results 5,391. So a little bit competitive here for this generic search term. But if we go ahead and niche down, for example, this one, how to draw book for kids ages 8 to 12, we can see total results drop down 1,456. The niche score is a 66, still high. Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 5, opportunity is a 7, with the average bestsellers rank on the first page very, very low at 106,000. And going through the first page, you can see bestseller, 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 a bunch of bestsellers right here, and very, very low BSRs. This is the type of niche that a lot of people stay away from because they think it's pretty difficult to create, because you have to do a lot of reverse engineering on creating these images. But in fact, it doesn't have to be that difficult. If we take a look at a sample, you can see here is the final image of a dog, and then you just kind of reverse engineer it step by step. And at first glance, it may seem a little bit difficult. Here's another one, a cat. You just do it reverse. And as you can see, here's the step by step how to draw. Now, this book has a bestsellers rank of 733, and that's good for 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $14,000 to over $22,000 per month in pure royalties. So you can see the power of KDP, and especially a book that you can price pretty high here. You can see $11.99, and as you can see, the sales here per month, 4,680 to over 7,000 book sales per month, and that's just going to equate to very, very successful royalties. Now, one way to make this is to use AI, but a very specific way. Now, I have prompts here that I use, but as you can see, the output here's the final product, and then it's kind of reversed. And so it makes it easy to create this type of book, because here's the how to draw step by step. And then here's one right here of a puppy. As you can see, reverse, 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 reverse. Makes it easy. Now, I created this with Nano Banana Pro with some simple prompts. If you want to take a look at those prompts, I'll leave it linked down below. Also, watch my tutorial on how I actually created this book if you're interested in going this way. Now, the next children's activity book niche worth trying on Amazon KDP is going to be the Sight Words activity book for kids. As we can see, total results just below 2,000 here. A little bit competitive, but still okay. Average bestsellers rank 385,000 on the first page. Niche score 68. With the Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 5. Opportunity is a 9. And looking through the first page, you can see the bestsellers rank here, 2,626. Here's another one right here, ranked at 3,452 with a bestseller badge. Here's another one right here, ranked at 2,331. And another book right here, ranked at 23,000. Now, if we take a look at an example of the interior of one of these books, as you can see, it's basically a letter tracing type of book. You see the A here in dotted lines, all these letters, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. And then if we scroll down here, you can see some more activities right here, writing a sentence and writing different words. Now, this type of book can take a little bit of time to put together manually, but as you can see, not very difficult as well, because you could literally find a font that looks like this with these dots, and then you can just put them on these dotted lines and just basically replicate these pages with your own sentences and your own theme, your own style, your own design. Now, this book with a bestsellers rank of 2,331, seeing 30-day royalties estimated around $3,800 to over $5,800 per month, priced at $9.99, 112 pages. So once again, not a super lengthy book. You can price this at around $10, and if your book does well, you can see what the royalties can come out to be. Now, if you're interested in making this type of sight words activity book, you can check out the link down below for a sight words activity book tool that can help you create these pages without you having to create them manually from scratch. Now, the next children's activity book niche worth trying on Amazon KDP is going to be the Spot the Difference book for kids. We see total results just over 1,000, so not too competitive here. Niche score 52 with the Titans Pro analysis saying demand is a 5, opportunity is a 9. And looking through these books, we can see the low BSRs, 146,000. Here's one right here at 26,000, 43,000, 20,000. Now, the thing with this niche is it's kind of dominated by other big publishers, and not a lot of KDP publishers actually publish in this niche, mostly because this is one of those books that are a little bit harder to create if you don't know how to create them. But as you can see, 146,000, 186,000 BSR. These books can do pretty well if you take the time to actually create one of these books. Now, here's a book that I found that doesn't have a great cover, but is doing actually okay on KDP. And as the name suggests, is basically a book where you find the difference between two identical images. There are going to be slight differences. For example, on the hedgehog, you can see there's an apple here, there's a mushroom. And it's very simple, very fun for the customer. But once again, if you don't know how to create this, it can be pretty challenging. Now, one way to create this book pretty seamlessly is to use ChatGPT. And as you can see, here's a prompt that I used to create this. And this is what it came out with. As you can see, two identical images, but with slight differences. I mean, I can already see one right here. Look at the sun, the rays. And as you can see, it's missing in the second picture. And then here with the wall of letters, you can see they're a little bit different right there. This boy is raising his hand where he's not right here. And as you can see with the style and the theme, looks very, very good. And so here's another one right here, another prompt. And then as you can see here, two identical images with slight variations. And let me know if you can actually spot the differences in this one right here. I mean, I already can spot one right off the bat. But as you can see, not very hard to make once you know how to make them. If you want to take a look at these prompts, I'll leave the link down below. Also, you can check out the full in-depth tutorial that I made on Spot the Difference books on my channel if you want to go this way. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this. You don't have to follow the loudest trend to make progress on KDP. Children's activity books aren't flashy, they're not talked about as much as coloring books, but that's exactly why they can make sense, especially in smaller focused niches. And if you want a clear starting point, I've linked together my KDP royalty roadmap. It's free, it's down below, and walks you through the fundamentals of publishing low and medium content books. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.